Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with an assembly that has corrected interference and stable mates. This matters because motion depends on accurate geometry. Once done, switch to the Motion Study tab and choose Motion Analysis for physics or Animation for kinematic previews. Make sure to set units and enable gravity if needed, and define global contact resolution early. This prevents later jitter. Next, create a timeline key at 0s, so you have a firm starting pose before adding motors or forces. Now you add the active elements that drive movement. Attach motors or actuators to mates and define speed or torque. Choose direction and reference geometry so motion behaves predictably. Apply forces, contact sets, and damping to capture collisions and energy loss. This is why results match reality. Use keyframes for simple position changes or equations and global variables for repeatable motion profiles. Once applied, run a short solve to verify directions and magnitudes. Before committing, run the study and watch both the animation and numerical plots to confirm behavior. You need to verify velocities, accelerations, and reaction forces. If you see instability, reduce time step, tighten contact tolerance, or add damping. These adjustments stabilize the solver. Once the motion matches expectations, export the animation or CSV results for review. As a troubleshooting tip, if parts jitter or explode, pause, reduce step size, and simplify contacts. That usually resolves numerical instability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.